congestion here, and I found the lane only has the scooters, like somewhere country in Asia. This shows that this is in Asia, definitely. So today I'm going to start a ride to the sea, watching a friends landing from the bay. By the way, the weather forecast predicted that today's temperature is 28 Celsius. Here wear the t-shirts. Anyway, let's enjoy the ride. What a congestion! 風が気持ちいい. In spite the weather forecast, in spite today is 28 Celsius degrees. The weather yesterday was rain, so it feels a little cooler than other days. Wow, a small truck is stopping there. What a number of cars here. I'm getting close to the truck. So big truck. By the way, I didn't check the camera angle is good or not today yet, so I don't know it's preferable for you guys or not. But as you see, there's no parking lot on this road or this big avenue in Tokyo, you know. And there's no room for bikes. A little room? I found a little room. Wow, great. Talking about my activities on my XSR for these days, I changed this engine oil myself and maintenance the brake caliper and changed full brake oil. What the slow? What are you doing? And overhauled the front braking caliper myself and changed the handle grips, both of them, so it feels like a really new car, and the enjoyable of the riding got very higher. It feels so nice. The lights are changing. Wow. スル。The sky is covered with so much clouds. It's not so hot today. I'm just going to see the sea. And we just go straight to see the sea. This way reach our port to the end, so we can see many container trucks are going on this road. Okay, I found that is a cause. That is the reason of this condition. Can you hear such great sound over? I always can hear the great sound of the XSR spreading, because it's Yamaha's sound. High tone consists of high tone. There's no preferable gaps for bikes. The avenue is getting a little narrower. One's coming, and we got almost the area close to the sea, because I feel the wind is getting strong and the sun salt, and it smells salty. Ooh, 아프게 고 있어. Because so many trucks synchronized with the color. The traffic is from South Road. Because of that, we sometimes can enjoy the acceleration after the condition. so many traffic. Ooh. And I can already see the plane approaching the airport. Wow!なんて騒がしさだ。What the buses around the industry area along the bay.